Hearing a weird humming or grinding noise when you're driving, especially when you turn? Yeah, that could be a bad wheel bearing. I'm Tom from Car Justify, and today we're talking about how to spot the signs before things get worse, or, the wheel literally falls off. Alright, so first symptom, and this is the most common one, is a deep humming or growling noise. Kinda sounds like you're riding on knobby off-road tires, even if you're not. If the noise gets louder the faster you go, or changes when you turn left or right, that's a big clue. I've seen this 100 times. One side goes bad and starts howling like a banshee. Second thing to look out for: vibration through the steering wheel or floorboard. Now, not all vibrations are wheel bearings. Could be a tire issue or alignment. But if the shake gets worse with speed and you've ruled out tire balance, you might be dealing with a bearing that's starting to fail. Number 3, loose or wobbly wheel. If you jack up the car, grab the wheel at the 12 and 6 o'clock positions and it rocks back and forth? Yeah, that's bad. Could be a ball joint or tie rod, sure, but wheel bearing is high on the list. I had a customer once whose wheel was basically flopping around. We caught it just in time. Fourth, ABS light kicking on randomly. Some wheel bearings have the wheel speed sensor built in. So when the bearing goes bad or starts to wear unevenly, that sensor gets thrown off, your dash light comes on, and boom, you're chasing down ghost issues. And hey, don't ignore uneven tire wear. If the wheel's not spinning true because the bearing's toast, it'll wear the tire edge faster than normal. That one trips people up all the time because it looks like an alignment problem, but the root cause is deeper. Now, and this one's kinda sketchy. If you've got a burning smell near the hub, that could mean the bearing's gotten so hot from friction it's cooking itself. At that point, yeah, don't drive it. Seriously, you could seize the hub or worse, lose the wheel. Not worth the risk. Couple DIY tips if you want to check it yourself. Jack up each wheel one at a time, spin it, and listen. If it feels rough, crunchy, or doesn't spin freely, that's a red flag. Also, grab that tire and give it a shake, like I mentioned earlier. Trust your hands and ears. They'll usually tell you what's up. Now, replacing a wheel bearing can be a DIY job, but I'll be honest, on some cars it's a pain. Pressed-in bearings need special tools, but if you've got a bolt-on hub assembly, it's not too bad. Just take your time, follow torque specs, and don't cheap out on the part. Cheap bearings fail fast. Ask me how I know. Alright, quick recap. Humming noise that changes with speed or turns, steering vibration, ABS light, wheel play, uneven tire wear, or a burnt smell. Those are your top warning signs. Don't ignore them. If this video helped you out, give it a like and hit that subscribe button. I've got plenty more straight talk car advice coming your way. And drop a comment if you've had a wheel bearing fail. I want to hear your horror stories. They're always wild. Catch you in the next one. I'm Tom, this is Car Justify, and as always, keep your wheels turning and your wallet full.